Welcome, my dear students, in Prep 2. Our lesson today is about a new set of numbers, which is the set of real numbers. We studied before the rational and irrational set numbers. The set of real numbers consists of rational and irrational. So, Q union Q dash is the real number. So, the set of real number we denoted by R is the set obtaining from the union of the two sets, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, so R equals Q union Q dash. The rational numbers and the irrational numbers together gives the real numbers. So the real numbers is the greatest set of numbers we studied until now. The real numbers consist of rational and irrational numbers. The rational numbers consist of integers and non-integers, which are fractions, decimals, and so on. The integers is like nature number and negative numbers. The nature numbers consist of positive numbers and zero. Okay. So the set of real numbers consists of the positive real numbers, negative real numbers, and the set of zero. We have also R star. R star means the set of real numbers but without zero. So R star equals R minus the set of zero, which is R positive union R negative. In the number line, 0 is in the middle, then to the right the set of real numbers, positive real numbers, and to the left the set of negative real numbers, as we did before in integers. Okay, now complete each of the following using greater than, less than, or equal. The first one we have root 2 and 1. Root 2 and 1. Okay, which one is greater? Root 2 is greater than 1. Okay. Now, here we have the cube root of 7, which is negative 1.91, and negative 2, which one is greater? Yes, negative cube root of 7, because now we are dealing with a negative numbers, so do the opposite. Negative root 3 and negative 1. Negative root 3 is approximately negative 1.73, so negative 1 is the greater. So negative root 3, the square root of 3, is less than negative 1. Here we have root 7 and 2.6. Root 7 is 2.646, and here we have 2.6 only, so root 7 is the greater. The cube root of 9 and 3, by the same way, the cube root of 9 is 2.08, so cube root of 9 is less than 3. Negative cube root of 16, and here we have negative 2.52. The negative cube root of 16 is negative 2.519, so this is greater than negative 2.52. Okay, so now we can compare between any two real numbers. This exercise, write three irrational numbers between 17 and 18. We all know that there is infinite number of real numbers or irrational, or also we have infinite number of irrational numbers between each two integers. Here we have 17 and 18. We want three irrational numbers between 17 and 18. The first step, I'll calculate 17 power 2 and 18 power 2. 17 power 2 equals 289 and 18 power 2 equals 324. So the square root of 289 is 17 and the square root of 324 is 18. Any square root in between will be between 17 and 18. So I can choose, for example, root 290, root 291, root 292, and so on. We can choose any three numbers. Find the set of solution in R for each of the following. 1 over 6 x power 3 minus 8 equals 28. By the same way, I'll remove negative 8 and move it to the right hand side with a positive sign. So 1 over 6 x power 3 equals 28 plus 8. It means that 1 over 6 x power 3 equals 36. Now I'll multiply by 6 or divide it by 1 over 6 to get x power 3 equals 36 times 6. So x power 3 equals 216. Now I have x power 3. So what is the opposite of power 3? Cube root. So I'll take the cube root for both sides to get that x equals 6. So the set of solution is 6. Don't forget to write the set of solution. Okay, that's all about our session today. Next session, we will discuss the intervals. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.